battlefield is a scene of constant cast. The winner would be the one who controls that can't smoke his own and the enemies. If we could write the secret history of our enemies, we should find in each man's life sorrow. We suffered enough to disarm her. Hostility, the more relaxed you are, the better you are at everything. The better you are with your loved ones, the better you are with your enemies. The better you are at your job, the better you are with yourself. People crossed by laws have no hope but to evade pop. If the laws are their enemies, there would be enemies to the law. And those who have most to hope and nothing to lose will always be dangerous. Men are by nature merely indifferent to one another. Women are by nature enemies. If we could read the secret history of our enemies, we should find in each man's life sorrow and suffering enough to disarm all hostility. People cross by laws and no hope but to evade powers. If the laws are there, there are two good things in life: freedom of thought and freedom of action. In life, you prove your worth through your action, not your words. Sometimes it doesn't matter how right you are. Sometimes shutting up is the best course of action. Sometimes it doesn't matter how right you are. Sometimes just shutting up is the best course of action. Positive results will come when you start to replace your negative thoughts and habits with positive ones. When words fail, action speaks. When action fails, I speak. When I fail, Ted speaking. And when everything else fails, the silence speaks in life. You prove your worth through your actions, not your words. The battlefield is a scene of constant cast. The winner would be the one who controls that can't smoke his own and the enemies. If we could read the secret history of our enemies, we should find in each man's life sorrow. Suffered enough to disarm us. Hostility, the more relaxed you are, the better you are in everything. The better you are with your loved ones, the better you are with your enemies. The better you are at your job, the better you are with yourself. People crossed by laws have no hope but to evade pop. If the laws are their enemies, there would be enemies to the law. And those who have most to hope and nothing to lose will always be dangerous. Men are by nature merely indifferent to one another. Women are by nature enemies. If we could read the secret history of our enemies, we should find in each man's life sorrow and suffering enough to disarm all hostility. People crossed by laws have no hope but to evade powers. If the laws are their enemies, there would be an the battlefield is a scene of constant cast. The winner would be the one who controls that can't smoke his own and the enemies. If we could read the secret history of our enemies, we should find in each man's life sorrow and suffering enough to disarm her. Hostility, the more relaxed you are, the better you are in everything. The better you are with your loved ones, the better you are with your enemies. The better you are at your job, the better you are with yourself. People crossed by laws have no hope but to evade pop. If the laws are their enemies, there will be enemies to the law. And those who have most to hope and nothing to lose will always be dangerous. Men are by nature merely indifferent to one another. Women are by nature enemies. If we could read the secret history of our enemies, we should find in each man's life sorrow and suffering enough to disarm all hostility. People crossed by laws have no hope but to evade powers. If the laws are their enemies, there would be an There are two good things in life: freedom of thought and freedom of action. In life, you prove your worth through your action, not your words. Sometimes it doesn't matter how right you are. Sometimes just shutting up is the best course of action. Sometimes it doesn't matter how right you are. Sometimes just shutting up is the best course of action. Positive results will come when you start to replace your negative thoughts and habits with positive ones. When words fail, action speaks. When action fails, I speak. When I fail, Ted speaking. And when everything else fails, the silence speaks in life. You prove your worth through your actions, not your words. The battlefield is a scene of constant cast. The winner would be the one who controls that can't smoke his own and the enemies. If we could read the secret history of our enemies, we should find in each man's life sorrow and suffering enough to disarm her. Hostility, the more relaxed you are, the better you are in everything. The better you are with your loved ones, the better you are with your enemies. The better you are at your job, the better you are with yourself. People crossed by laws have no hope but to evade pop. If the laws are their enemies, there would be enemies to the law. And those who have most to hope and nothing to lose will always be dangerous. Men are by nature merely indifferent To run the mouths of women of our nature enemies. If we could rap the secret history of our enemies, we should find in each man's like sorrow and suffering enough to disarm all. Still to keep people puff follows and no hope but to a dead power. If the laws of their enemies, there would be an above.